Alright, so here we are inside the car. What we're going to do is to program the TPMS sensor here into the vehicle so that it will recognize. Because right now, as you can see, I have a TPMS sensor on. And here's the tool for programming. So TPMS. So you're gonna go bin number, auto detect. So it will detect the VIN number for the vehicle, obviously Toyota. Okay. Okay. Yes. So here we are. Now first, before you do the programming or relearn, you must check the sensor first. You gotta go check MX sensor here, and then you're going to place the sensor. You're going to place this sensor on top of it, like that, like here, to read, so that the machine will read the sensor. Yes. Okay, hang on. Check. Then you put it in here. It should read right now. Okay, now it's reading. So since I don't have the original sensors with me, so you have four options. A copy by activation, copy by OBD, copy by input, or auto create. But for me, the ideal is the auto create because I don't have the original sensor. So click the auto create, click OK, and make sure your sensor is ready. Click OK, put it in the right side, top right side. Computer will scan it. Sensor is ready. Click OK. Programming in process. And this is for the left side, driver side, front driver side sensor. There you go. So now I have a front driver side sensor. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get the sensor for the right side. Now that's for the left. You go to the right, click auto create, says OK, scanning, continue, yes. There you go. So now I have the right side is program. Next, the back sensors. So now from the right, so we go to back right and auto create. Okay, program. Okay. Okay, that's done. Next, not least, is the driver side rear. We click driver side rear, auto create, Says okay. Put the sensor there. Reading. Sensor's okay. Program. There you go. So now I have 4 program sensor into the vehicle. All I have to do now, put this into the rim, and that's it. Should be ready to go. After you program everything, right? Now you go to check. You trigger every one of the sensor, and you will see all the data. So from diagnostic, see now is reading through the computer. Now the system now is reading this sensor. This is all the data from the computer of the vehicle. So as you can see, it's recognizing the sensor now, right? So even the PSI right now, because the obviously is 0 PSI because the sensor is not installed. So as soon I install the sensor and put the air in it, it should read here too. All right. Okay, that's it for the programming. Thank you for watching.